What if I told you that the secret to achieving your biggest goals isn't some big, dramatic change? It's the small, consistent habits you build every day. Habits are the foundation of success. Whether you want to improve your health, increase your productivity, or achieve personal growth, your daily habits will get you there. Let's explore 10 tips to help you create powerful daily habits that will transform your life. Number 1. Start small and build. Gradually, the key to lasting habits is starting small. Trying to change everything at once can overwhelm you and set you up for failure. Instead, begin with one simple habit, like drinking more water every day or journaling for 5 minutes. Once that becomes automatic, add another small habit. Gradually building on small wins creates lasting change. Number 2. Be consistent. Consistency is the backbone of habit formation. It's not enough to do something once or twice. You need to do it daily. Set a specific time each day to practice your new habit so it becomes part of your routine. The more consistently you follow through, the more natural the habit will become. Number 3. Make your habits enjoyable. If you want a habit to stick, it needs to be something you enjoy. For example, if you're trying to exercise more, choose an activity you actually like, whether it's dancing, swimming, or hiking. When your habits are fun, you're more likely to stick with them in the long run. Number 4. Use triggers to remind you. Sometimes it's easy to forget about new habits, especially if they're not part of your existing routine. Use triggers to remind you. For example, if you want to start stretching every morning, place your yoga mat next to your bed so you see it first thing. Triggers create an automatic link between your existing routine and your new habit. Number 5. Focus on one habit at a time. It's tempting to start multiple habits at once, but trying to juggle too many changes can lead to burnout. Focus on one habit at a time until it becomes second nature, then add another. This approach ensures you're giving your full attention and energy to each habit, increasing your chances of success. Number 6. Set clear goals and track progress. For any habit to be effective, you need clear goals. Instead of vague goals like, I want to read more, set a specific target such as, I will read 10 pages a day. Tracking your progress also helps keep you accountable and motivated. Use a habit tracker app or a simple calendar to check off each day you successfully stick to your habit. Number 7. Make it a non-negotiable. Treat your new habit like a non-negotiable part of your day. When something is a priority, you make time for it. No excuses. Whether it's setting aside 10 minutes to meditate or scheduling time to cook a healthy meal, make sure your new habit has the same importance as any other responsibility in your life. Number 8. Reward yourself. Rewards are a great way to reinforce positive habits. After completing a habit for a certain period of time, whether it's a week or a month, give yourself a small reward. It could be a treat you enjoy, a day off, or something else that feels like a personal celebration of your success. This keeps you motivated to continue. Number 9. Surround yourself with support. Building habits is easier when you have support. Tell a friend or family member about your goal, or find an accountability partner who shares a similar habit. You can encourage each other, check in regularly, and celebrate each other's progress. Having someone to share the journey with makes it more enjoyable and keeps you on track. Number 10. Be patient and persistent. Habit formation takes time. Don't expect instant results, and don't get discouraged if you miss a day. Building powerful habits is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, stay persistent, and remember that small progress is still progress. Over time, you'll see the positive changes in your life. Conclusion: creating powerful daily habits isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and committed. Start small, stay patient, and build your habits one day at a time. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and they'll set you on the path to achieving your biggest goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to Fix Your Life for more tips on building daily habits that lead to success. Start today and watch how powerful, consistent habits can transform your life.